Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68, or 2 to the power 3, because 2 to the power 3 are same as 8 whole power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68. Or here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power n whole power m. Applying this rule here, we can write 2 to the power x whole power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68. Now see, here 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x both term is same, so let 2 to the power x is substituted by y. So our equation is y cube plus y is equal to 68. Y cube plus y is equal to 68. Or y cube plus y, this 68 taking to left side we will get negative 68 is equal to 0. Or y cube plus y, negative 64 negative 4 is equal to 0. Attention here, the nearest cubic number of 68 is 64. So we will write here 64 and 4. Or rearranging it, we will write y cube minus 64 plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or y cube minus 4 cube, because 4 cube are same as 64 plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or here we can apply this rule: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Applying this rule here, we will get y minus 4 times y square plus y times 4 plus 4 square plus, and taking common one to last two terms we will get y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or taking common y minus 4 we will get y minus 4 times y square plus 4 times y, that means 4y plus 4 square, that means 16, plus this divided by this we will get 1 is equal to 0. Or y minus 4 times y square plus 4y plus 16 plus 1, that means 17 is equal to 0. Here we are two equation, so we will write here y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y square plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. So y is equal to this 4, taking to right side we will get positive 4. So y is equal to 4. Here we will apply discriminant formula, so we will write here del is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 17. So del is equal to b, that means 4, so 4 square minus 4 A, that means 1, times C, that means 17. So del is equal to 4 square, that means 16 minus 4 times 1 times 17, that means 68. 16 minus 68, that means negative 52. Now negative 52 is less than 0, so there are no real solution. Now remember, y is equal to 4, but y, because 2 to the power x, so we will write here 2 to the power x is equal to 4, or 2 to the power x is equal to 2 square, because 2 square are same as 4. Here we can apply this rule, a to the power b is equal to a to the power c, so b is equal to c. Applying this rule here, we can get x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Let's verify. Our equation is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68. Here x is equal to 2. So 8 to the power 2 plus 2 square is equal to 68. So 8 square, that means 64, plus 2 square, that means 4, is equal to 68, is equal to 64 plus 4 is equal to 68 is equal to 68. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the value of x is 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.